everyone, welcome back to my channel Women Gupshup. So we all have played with dolls, right? And I remember Barbie used to be my favorite doll. In fact, every girl is very fond of Barbie. But if you closely observe one thing, this Barbie doll sets some unrealistic expectations. So again, it promotes 36, 24, 36, which everybody is telling these days that it's a fixation and we have to move out of it. Barbie company realized this. The person who invented Barbie realized this and they changed it completely and they created some curvy and some different skin texture dolls just to give the message that they also have understood this now, that it was setting unrealistic expectations and children couldn't relate to it. And we all know how bad it is psychologically for children to get inspired from these figures. The company has changed it and new dolls are in market, and one can definitely relate with these dolls. But what about our mindsets? Do we really think that mindsets have changed? Why there is always an expectation of a fair 36, 24, 36 with blonde hair, and that is called Barbie doll. So again, my point is that these unrealistic expectations are very bad for our mental health. And I have seen so many times that girls who are, whose complexion is not very fair, they are always conscious of, what color they are wearing, and they are so conscious. They spend tons and tons of rupees on this fairness, because we are not ready to accept them. We have seen in matrimonial ads, we have seen models, we have seen in newspapers, magazines, everywhere, this fairness obsession, this obsession of perfection. This Barbie doll is nothing but that Barbie doll is that unrealistic expectation which we have set for ourselves. That's why we don't accept ourselves and we always try to change ourselves. See, I'm not telling that you should not be healthy and you should be lethargic and you should not care. But the point is, you should be happy with measurements you have, color you have. You should be content with that. And this acceptance needs to come into society so that we can breathe. This obsession, it's a proper business, it's a proper market. So if you just pick a Barbie doll, you can see that how it expects you to be perfect. And this perfection is not normal because nobody is perfect. So we have to understand the difference between a mannequin and a person, a living being. And we have to accept ourselves. And I really believe if you accept yourself, then definitely other person will also accept you. And you will be accepted in the society. Even I have seen this, after motherhood, I completely changed and I was not able to come to terms that, okay, I am 15, 20 kg heavier. I was not able to accept that, but I had more important things to do and I focused on them. I believe that every woman should do that, First focus on your health, how you feel from inside, how much mental peace you have, rather than trying to reach this perfection. Rarely I have seen women who are happy with their current situation. They are always insecure, they always want something and then they'll be happy, and that is the problem. Believe me, I have seen women saying that, I am dark, that's why my husband is after someone who is fair. Yes, these things are happening around us. It sounds very backward, but it is happening. And people are spending lakhs and lakhs of rupees on this fairness. So we have to come out of this. We have to see people beyond their color, their size, their measurements, and everything, It's high time because we are moving ahead. So this was the thing I wanted to talk about. So this Barbie doll, whatever memories this doll has given us, they should be memories of innocence, purity and a play, rather than trying to being someone. So this doll gives us this company has realized and they have changed, they have come with 15-20 options now, different options, because they have also accepted the fact that society is now ready to accept diversity. We have to be careful when we are going on matrimony, when we are going in parties, when we are working in offices. We have to be very, very careful that we have to accept people beyond these things. Acceptance is very, very important, believe me, because I have seen the inferiority which people, they just keep that inside, they don't let it out, and it becomes, they lose their confidence and so many things. They want to look beautiful, and because of this they play with their health, they play with their future, and so many things. So this inferiority should come out from our mind, and we should accept ourselves first. That is the basic idea. Then only we can expect other people to accept us. I found it very important, so I thought to talk about it. I hope you like my video. If you like it, please like it, share it, and please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.